us. I'm sure you would be doing it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And now we'll take this opportunity just in 1 minute or so, if you could just, summarize how your journey has been, your learning journey has been. Would that be okay? Okay. Who would like to start?
Anyone?
Gopi.
Gopi.
Yeah, it's Gopi's day today.
Gopi's day.
So, thanks, Hani, first of all, for bringing this actually to life. I would like to thank Bharadwaj for actually introducing this CocoWeave to me. Excellent. I mean, to say that at a personal level, forget about the pay, what we did. It's nothing in front of what you have done to us, to be very frank, for your integrity and honesty in actually helping us to be in the part of this profession of coaching. I think I would really love to go again and again on this to make myself more equipped for this. I had multiple emotions while attending these coaching sessions because few sessions were like pulling us to the core. But it's like learning a bicycle. Initially you'll have all these pits and falls, but end of the day you'll get the joy of being a bicycle rider. Similar experience has been a wonderful journey. Personally, I benefited a lot. In fact, the last session was like the best one. Today's session, in fact, I was able to not as a student, but as a real client, I was able to give myself 100%. Thank you so much, and thanks, CocoWeave, for your ideas and for your actually help for all the students. Thank you so much. We love you all.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, who would like to come next?
Yeah, I would. So as I mentioned in my testimonial also, so having moved into L&D, this has always been my dream to actually get into certified coaching. And I think CocoWeave has helped me embark on that journey. It was a wonderful experience. And actually the last few weeks has been especially very, helpful for me. Sorry. Because all these practice sessions and the feedbacks, and especially today was the grand finale, where we actually saw the entire process in action, all that we have discussed, it was wonderful, and hope to be able to, actually get to the point where we can get accredited. Yeah. Thank you so much, Ani, for making this possible. Thank you.
Hani, in fact, you have become a benchmark for us in terms of how a person has to be.
You're too high, trust me. You wait and see. I'll come for a session from you guys, and I'm really waiting who is going to be my coach. I'm definitely looking for a coach. Okay. Okay. Who is coming next?
I can go next, Ani. Yeah, so first of all, thank you, Ani. I never thought this area exists. Okay, so I mean, there is such skill. I heard about it. Once I met a guy also who said, I am a life coach. I said, what is life coach? I mean,
What is life coach?
Yeah, because profession, I was asking him, but yeah. So after being in this class, I mean, I really refer to this as a classroom. Hani being the teacher and Smita being the monitor.
She's the class representative.
Jai, it's very unfair. You will get a class from me.
Just joking, no, but otherwise, yeah, like a classroom only, like Bharadwaj being the most naughtiest guy.
Not yes.
in class. And Gopi being the most, intelligent, the topper of the class.
True.
And yeah, and Madhumita being that studious girl in the class. And like Kunal and myself are like,
Backbenchers.
Yeah, backbenchers. Yeah,
Backbencher throughout my life. So yes, nothing
yeah,
changed.
definitely. And yeah, Hindu is that, anchor of the class. She speaks every time. who on the stage. She's always on the stage, like that kind of girl. And Himanshu, yeah, Himanshu is the cute boy in the class who will be there.
Boy in the class. Okay.
And Himanshu,
Creativity is following like anything right now. I mean, yeah, go ahead. Continue.
Yeah, loving it.
no, Himanshu, actually, I really had a moment with Himanshu also. So he suggested me one thing, and I have watched that movie, Himanshu. That athlete movie.
Peaceful Warrior.
Peaceful Warrior, yeah. Good. I mean, see, why I watched that movie is because I wanted to know what is, spirituality, why I should go to that area. I mean, yeah. So, but yeah, after seeing Himanshu, Madhumita, and Bharadwaj here, I thought I should go to spirituality, explore that area. Okay, so I am telling, I learned a lot from the class. Each one of you. I spoke to Smita, I spoke to Indu. With Indu, it was like lot of learning also. Yeah, so yeah, thank you all. Thank you guys. And thanks a lot, Hani, for this platform and for these wonderful sessions.
Thank you so much.
I want to share one point actually, and after that I'll continue as well my feedback. How I felt like. So for me, the spirituality is nothing but synchrony in your thought, action, and deed.
Beautiful.
Nothing else. So if you achieve it, then everything is there in front of you. Okay. So I like these sessions very much. So I think I just skipped only one session of yours, except that I try to be on time, and even I say all my bosses and cancel all my meetings and say that I am in a meeting and please don't call me or don't disturb me on Tuesdays or something from 7 to 9, or I'm very specific on that. So personally, it helped me a lot. It really helped me a lot. So it helped me to declutter my mind. Even I am very jittery in my spiritual aspects and spiritual thought process and everything. But after attending these sessions, it really helped me to channelize my energies into a particular way. And also along with that, even Gopi used to say few words and all that. So here and there and everything. So overall put together, today, if I see myself from the first day when I stepped into Coco Views in Delhi, so now I'm totally, there is a way gap. There is a way gap, and the entire credit will go to this particular coaching. Whether I don't know, I will in future I will become a good coach or not, but definitely it will be part of my life. Means everyday life. Actually, it will lead me throughout my life.
Lovely.
So it's absolutely amazing sessions actually.
Wow, Bharadwaj, that is great. If that's what we guys can do, imbibe it into our everyday life. Wow, awesome.
In fact, Ani, when Bharadwaj was mentioning this thought came quickly. He brought me that brochure of Coco Wave. वो पढ़ के मुझे लगा कि यार इतना कौन लिखता है आजकल. I mean, it's like 3-pager brochure. I mean, so many points. We should definitely attend this. Please continue that, Ani. I mean, you don't know how much you are contributing to everyone. I mean, I've never seen any trainer writing so much. What you are going to learn is brilliant. I felt like in the commercial world, there are people like you exist also. And it really worked. Thank you so much. And please continue that.
In fact, when the first time we took this decision of joining into the coach, we both thought, okay, it's only 70,000. Now let's join and see what we are going to get.
Yeah.
This is what we got. It's like, yeah.
But it's nothing. I mean, the word that we got is like 10x. The word that we got is like 10x. In fact,
guys, my life revolves around you guys. I mean, your learning is something which is like, that is what adds meaning. That's what adds value. That's what I think is the thing that I can do, and I do, and I think this is the only thing that I know how to do.
And at one point of time, we both were discussing, and so this is out of the way, whether this, I think this is, I don't know whether this is going to work out or not, but we both were thinking, अपना कंपनी में ना सारे जितने भी मैनेजर्स है ना सारे को ये सेशन में बिठा देना.
In fact, we thought we will hire one of you and give one session to you. To that extent.
Wow.
Probably we should do that. We will do that.
Amazing
amazing.
thoughts. Absolutely. Amazing
thought.
thoughts. Yes, guys, I think it will be a great collaboration. Those who can think that on a corporate level, you have that kind of a space and opportunity. You're
Right.
welcome. All of you are wonderful coaches, and anyone that you guys pick, awesome.
Certainly.
I'll go quickly, very small thing. I mean, for me, the way this specific session or this class started, it was more like an impossible journey for me. One, it was difficult for me to even enroll and go forward because I was not in Delhi at that point in time. I mean, honey, you may remember, right? I called you up from Andaman Nicobar that, I'm here. I don't know how I'm gonna join your sessions. And second, because of pandemic and coming into virtual kind of a thing, no, it was beyond my imagination how this thing gonna work out in reality, right? But the way it was delivered, the content, people, amazing. I mean, amazing is the only word I have, to be honest. I mean, the way, obviously I knew Bharadwaj and Gopi from the past session or past classes, right? But apart from these two as well, everybody contributed so much. Everybody's so intelligent. Is really amazing.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Each one of you amazing. This is what makes it so unique and so special.
Great.
Perfect.
Yeah, I think, yeah, it's my turn. So for me, I was, I had a long career and then I took a significantly long break to take care of my daughter. And I was exploring the whole field, and now you will disagree with the term, but as a career option, as a, a fresh, start. And I had talked to many people, I'd read up stuff, but it was all muddled and I had really no idea of what this field was all about. And I think CocoWeave and you have, helped me tremendously in that regard. It also set me on a path of self-exploration, and I have discovered aspects and skills that I really didn't know I had, which is completely like different skill sets from what I've had in the past. So I think that has been wonderful, and it has also helped me center myself many of the sessions, and I've a lot of takeaways and a lot of the tools I've used it on myself as well. So yeah, I'm glad I signed up for this, and I really hope to pursue this more. I mean, explore more and see if I can make a mark. So
You will. Definitely.
thank you so much.
You're
And
already
yeah,
a coach, Indu.
oh, yeah, please. I mean, you've all been so great. I've made such wonderful friends. Some of you I've not connected with at all, but I know you know who I'm talking about. We've all had conversations, and it has all been very good. And yeah, it's been a wonderful experience. So thank you, everyone, and thank you, honey. And I promise to send my testimonial. I'm actually traveling. I'm not in town, so I will send it to you for sure.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I completely agree. No problem.
Finally. Okay. First of all, thank you so much, everybody. I've enjoyed these sessions. One of the things that gives me a break from whatever, everything that is happening all over, right? And I think this is a different connect in this class, and kind of, I feel good about it. I feel good about Tuesdays in general. My apologies if I've been assertive in any ways at times. The fact that Vijay said monitor hurt me quite a bit. So I think sometimes my passion does come out as assertiveness, and well, that is something I have to keep a tab on. But thank you for giving us the platform, for imparting the knowledge, for giving us a view into the world of coaching. It's I definitely hope to pursue it. I want to marry my knowledge of counseling and self into coaching. Actually, what I want to develop is to be able to coach for self, which is self-identity, self-impression, self-image, everything as self, and relationships. So that is the area I will be concentrating in. And that is what I want to, kind of take it forward.
Amazing.
Lovely, 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 lovely. And your self-assertiveness is awesome. You don't have to keep a tab on it. That's something that makes you who you are. That's awesome. You don't have to leave it.
Right.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
It will take a lot of trainings for that. So you're already there. So don't leave it, okay?
True.
Okay.